Okay, I've done a sketch here of deer. I have photographs of the deer. We have an outdoor cam, and I have photographs of the deer that have been around. Their face goes right into the camera. They're pretty wonderful because this week we had a herd of 8 deer around our automatic feeder right outside our living room window. So it was pretty entertaining, pretty interesting. Different groups got along just great, and so I felt I really wanted to do a painting about them. So what I have here, I have it sketched out. I have a halo around them of rock art symbols, cave symbols from France and all of that kind of thing, and Southwest art, rock art. And so let's see how this goes. Okay, I decided to work into it with an oil paint stick, and it's malachite, and so I worked into it in some places. This will take some days to dry, but I kind of gave it some definition, and I have these lines coming in, kind of going right to her eye. and I accentuated the halo around it with some white paint. Now it's done. On to the next one. But now I have my deer painting, and hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time.